Okay, hi. It's cold outside. I'm wearing a hat. Looks weird. What I'm here to show you today is how to cut out a piece of this so that you can use a cable to charge your GoPro 5 while using it. The reason being is you have an extended shot, or you're doing time lapse, or you just didn't charge your battery before you needed to use it. So I'm just going to cut out with a Dremel right through here, so that when the problem right now is when you need to charge your GoPro, you have to have your door open. Well, you can't. Here's your case with the door open. It doesn't fit. You see the problem there? The door does not go in. So you have to close the door, which keeps everything waterproof inside the GoPro. Good design really, but it stinks when you're trying to charge it while you're using it. So simple fix. Buy an extra case off of eBay for like $4 or something, and then cut it up. And now, moment of truth. Door goes open, slides right in there. And then the added part here that made me, oh, hang on, problem, oh. So, nope, won't be able to close it. But that's not what we bought this for. There we go. So now the case is on there. I can still mount it. The door's open, so I can still charge it. Easy day. Here's your actual settings.